Hello everyone, I am Vinod and you are watching Indian Military Updates, and today we will talk about two latest acquisitions by Indian Army, and these are two armored vehicles named LSV and M4. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. I regularly update videos on different military subjects to keep you updated. So let's begin. Ministry of Defence signed a contract with Mahindra Defence System for supply of 1300 light specialist vehicles to the Indian Army at a cost of 1056 crore rupees in New Delhi on March 22, 2021. The induction of vehicles is planned to be completed in 4 years. The light specialist vehicle is indigenously designed and developed by MDSL. These combat vehicles are extremely agile with all-round protection against small arms fire and will assist small independent detachments which are required to operate this weapon platform to the operational area. If we go through official data, the ALSV provides protected mobility for the front, side and rear as per STANAG Level 1 ballistics and blast for 4 crew members with battle load having ample storage space for arms and ammunition inside the crew compartment and additional 400 kg cargo load carrying capacity. The platform can be upgraded up to STANAG 2 ballistics according to requirements. Powered by 215 horsepower multi-fuel diesel engine, the platform can carry 1000 kg of payload and can attain a maximum speed of 120 km per hour. The modular design of the platform will enable it to perform several operational roles efficiently even in extreme adversary situations. From patrolling in high-intensity areas or reconnaissance to conducting special force operations, it is an ideal choice for different tasks. With customizations, it can be equipped with different weapon systems which is necessary for different requirements. From being medium machine gun carriage to automatic grenade launchers, even can be used for anti-tank roles as well. No doubt, such an efficient platform will enable Indian Army to overcome several challenges in different theatres. Now come to the second platform. On 22nd February, Paramount Group with Bharat Forge announced an agreement for production of armored vehicles in India. Bharat Forge on 24th February announced that they had received an order from the Indian Army for protected vehicles under the emergency procurement route. This will be M4 vehicle which is based on Paramount's in Bombay 4 platform. However, exact number to be supplied isn't revealed yet. According to reports, those M4 will be built at Kalyani's Pune plant. The M-Bombay 4 is dubbed as Next Generation Armored Combat Vehicle which is available in 4x4 and 6x6 configurations as well. It has a welded monocoque hull designs and modular characteristics intended to offer a robust solution for different requirements for multiple challenges. The 13.3 ton platform can have a 2700 kg of payload which is definitely impressive. If we look at the protection level, the platform offers a very high level in this case against ballistic and mine threats. It has been said that it offers protection against a 50 kg TNT side blast or IED. The platform provides STANAG 4569 level 4A and 4B blast protection and level 3 ballistic protection. The platform has a payload capacity of 2.3 ton. Powered by a 450 horsepower turbo diesel engine, it can achieve a maximum speed of 140 km per hour while the operating range is said 800 km. No doubt, this platform will be an ideal choice for Indian Army for desert operations as well as to meet the high altitude challenges. So, Indian Army to get two high-tech made in India platforms, and might be soon we will hear a good news regarding Tata DRDO HWAP as well. I hope you have enjoyed the video, so storm the like and share button. We'll meet you with a new subject. Till then, goodbye and Jai Hind.